Oh, so first of all, I just tell you that okay, do not call me sir. Okay, I'm your brother. Okay, don't call me sir. I do not deserve it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Sunidhi Kumari.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
My name is Sunidhi Kumari.
Shunidhi.
Yeah, Sunidhi.
Okay, so what should I call you? Sunidhi or Sunidhi Kumari?
Sunidhi only you can call me.
Okay, all right. So Sunidhi, how are you doing today?
Yeah, today I'm feeling well. And what's what you say?
Yes, everything is doing well in my life. Okay, so earlier you know called me. Okay, I was busy with someone else. Okay, I was talking with the guy who comes from the Goa. Okay, so that's why I could not receive your call. So I'm extremely sorry for that.
No problem, brother.
Okay, so Sunidhi, we are interacting with this is the very first time. Okay, and I think if you introduce yourself, okay, so I'd be so happy. So please go for it.
Okay, brother. So my name is Sunidhi Kumari as I am reading class 8 and I'm a schooling student. So
Hmm.
I have members in my family. I have three siblings, one me and two my small brother. As I have five members in my family, and my hobby is to studying, playing music, singing. All
Sunidhi, if you don't mind, can you speak slowly? If you don't
okay,
mind.
okay. No problem, brother. Yeah,
Okay.
I have a speak it all.
Okay, so that is enough now.
Yeah,
I hope you want something about myself as well.
yeah. I want.
Yes. I'm Mitlesh and I'm talking from Bihar. And as far as my educational qualification is, I'm an Ask graduate from Bihar. And talking about my family, I have one brother and two sisters, and I have parents. And I love, making the videos on social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and there are so many apps okay where I upload the videos. So yeah, that's all about.
Yeah, that's great, brother.
So yeah, is there any special topic do you want to discuss with me, or you want to talk like the casual talk?
Casual talk, I thought, brother.
I think I have been having the conversation for a long time. Okay, so actually I do not feel the good. Okay, I think you must talk like any special topic. Okay, so that people can be learn something from our videos. Okay, so I think that would be the more fabulous.
Yeah, okay, brother. I thought like that we should choose the topic discipline.
Exactly, exactly. Okay, so I think you want to talk about discipline.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
so if you want to speak first, or I should speak.
You should speak first.
Okay, all right. Okay. So first of all, I just tell you that about discipline. Whenever I get this word and whenever I hear this word, okay, the very first things come in my mind. I think you must be disciplined yourself first. Yeah, if you are disciplined boy and if you are disciplined girl, then everything is easy in this world. Nothing is impossible for you, that because if you are not disciplined guy, then I think you cannot do anything. Just take an example. You are studying in any class, like any classes, okay, and you are preparing for an examination. One day you study and second day you do not study, so I think you are not disciplined. So yes, that is the first things, okay. So I think you should be disciplined, because if you do not have the kind of the disciplineness, okay, so I think that it's your life will become so bad. So I think, okay, so now it's your turn. Okay, please speak something about discipline.
Okay, brother. So I thought like that discipline is very important in our life, and it is the
Mhm,
key to success of our life. And
mhm,
as part of the discipline comes from our parents. Like
mhm,
when we are in the childhood, the parents teach us like usually
mhm,
wake up in the morning and
mhm,
do exercise, respect to the elders. The first part of the discipline comes from our
mhm,
parents, and it
mhm.
plays a very important role in our life because without discipline we can't maintain anything. because if we maintain our regular routine, so it only bases on the discipline that we have to do the work, we have to do the homework like 5 to 6. So this is a discipline that in randomly time we can't do it, so discipline is very important to us.
Okay, all right. So I think you explained, very well. Okay, and the way you were just talking. Okay, so this is absolutely, up to the mark. Okay. So what do how do you see yourself? Okay, so are you disciplined girl? How do you see yourself? Are you
Yeah,
disciplined?
like, I have 50% disciplined and 50% undisciplined, because sometimes
Okay.
I want to study, so just I
Mm-hmm.
study. And when I think like I don't want to study, so I didn't study. uh, as it is important work, so I didn't do it. When my mind work, then I just do it. So as I think that I have 50% discipline and 50% undisciplined.
Okay. So I think you are, 50-50. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. So and how will you improve your 50%, discipline part? How will you improve?
yeah, I thought like we have to improve ourselves, that we have to manage our time first, then it can definitely will happen.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Okay. Exactly. Okay. I think discipline. You already told that. Okay, discipline. Plays such an amazing, such a crucial role in our life. Yeah, exactly. Because I think a person, okay, who does not have discipline, they cannot achieve in their life. They cannot achieve in their life. Oh yeah. And but whenever we hear this word, then people think that okay, discipline, it means whenever you go to school, you college, you office, so that is discipline. So these are the also the part of discipline. Like whenever you go to a classroom, then first of all you take the discipline, like you say, may I come in, sir? May I come in, ma'am? Yeah. So this is the also part of, but according to me, I think self discipline is the, I think the best discipline. I think you must be disciplined yourself. No matter, you have to show your discipline in front of others, like in your classroom, in your teacher, in college. No, I think if you do not behave there good, okay, so that will be fine. But if you do not behave yourself properly, then your life will be spoiled. Your
Yeah,
life
that's
will be spoiled. So I think you must be self disciplined. Okay. And let's suppose you are showing that, okay, in front of me, Sunidhi is very disciplined girl, but when it comes to yourself, okay, so you are undisciplined. So is
yeah.
it walk, is does it walk? No.
No.
Yeah, so I think that was the thing, okay, which I wanted to say that, okay. And is there a question related to discipline? Okay, then you can ask, and definitely I will try to answer your question, your answer.
How can we a disciplined person?
Okay, okay, it's very hard to make you understand in a word, in a line. Okay, so I think first of all, I think if you want to discipline discipline yourself, okay, so I think there are many books, and there are many motivational speaker. I think you should watch them, and you should read that of content. Okay, how can I be the disciplined guy? Because I'm not a perfect one. Okay, who can tell you, and if you follow, then thereafter, okay, you can be disciplined. Okay, so I think you should watch the videos, and you should read the books, because I think books are the real friend. Okay, they can teach you, and books are the real teacher as well. They can teach you, and they can make you understand, they can show you the right path, and they can bring you in the top. Yeah. And you also watch so many videos, like the videos of the Sandeep Mahesuri, because he can explain very well, okay, as compared to me.
Yeah, that's great. So,
Yeah,
so
because if I okay, just go ahead.
yeah, I have listened that discipline works on two things:
Mhm.
hard working and patience. So it is important or not? Means it is correct or
Yeah,
not?
absolutely. I earlier to explained, na, consistency is the very very consistency is the the most important things. If you are very brilliant girl, if Sunudhi, you are very brilliant girl, but you study one day, and then then you leave, and after 2 and 3 days, after 5 days, okay, you will start again a reading. Okay, so that will absolutely not work. So consistency, and what did you say?
Hard working.
Hardworking, exactly. You must be the hardworking, okay. And if you are very if you are very disciplined guy, but you do not do any kind of, you do not take the action, okay, then how will achieve the things, and how will you will gain anything else? So definitely, the consistency and hard working are the things, okay, that can help you in your life, in your discipline, improving your discipline. Yeah, so absolutely you are the correct, okay. And I think you have chosen the very great topic, okay, which I have talked, and right now I'm just talking, because I'm so happy. Okay, so in which class do you study, Sunadi?
Yeah, I'm in class 8.
Are you studying class 8?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I think I salute your thought, and I salute and I respect your thought, because the way you are speaking, and the way you are expressing your ideas, okay. I'm not the person, okay, who can just make the butter. I'm not buttering you, okay. You are really a good speaker, and your thought is also great, okay. Speaking is a different things, but I think there are, you know if you are speaking well, but if you do not have thought, okay, so it does not work. So I think you must have a thought. If you have thought, then you can speak anything else. But you only keep talking about the how are you learning English, where are you going, okay, and how, since when have you been learning English, okay. So this kind of conversation, and this kind of talks does not help.
Yes.
So you have such a great thought, okay. So is there any question from your side? Almost we have covered each and everything. So is there any
Yeah.
question then you can ask?
So, is there is important to maintain our discipline to the friends?
It depends on the situation. If your friends are emotional, if your friends are very strict, okay. So I think it depends on the person, okay. If talk about my friends, okay, if I do anything, bad things, okay, with them, okay, they do not complain. But if your friend is very strict, okay, they don't do. And so also they maybe they deserve, okay. So Sunidhi cannot do that. So it depends on the situation, okay, what kind of friend, okay, you have. But I
Yeah,
think
that's
I think that, okay, you should not be the discipline with your friend. Yeah, because I think if you are spending your precious time with your friend, okay, so I think you do something bad works, okay, you can also make mistake, okay. So I think this kind of memory will remembered in the future, okay. So I think you do mistake, okay, you are not be disciplined with your friends. In the last, I just tell you that.
okay. Okay, brother. So one more question I want to say that
Hmm.
how feeling after learning English?
Sorry,
How are you
pardon.
feeling after learning English?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. My feeling is absolutely, the great, and my feeling is very cool. Yeah, because English has given many more things. Okay, like the English has given me the confident, and English has given me the thought as well, the how present myself, and how to talk with anyone. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, English has given me. Okay, so yeah, my feeling is absolutely up to the mark. Okay, I do not have words, and even my dictionary does not have word to explain, about English language, okay, because English is a smart lingua, and it is spoken entire the world, okay, and by learning the people can grow in their life, okay, and they can achieve in their life, okay. So this is the things I just want to tell you. Yeah,
That's
and
great.
and also English made me the teacher as well, okay. So I'm also teacher. I think you must have watched my videos. Have you seen my videos any or not?
Yeah, I have seen.
Did you subscribe my channel or not?
Yeah, I have subscribed your channel.
Please tell me what is the channel of what is my channel name?
Yeah, I forgot. Yesterday,
Okay, not
yesterday,
an issue. Let's
yes,
play with English, my channel name, okay. I have two channels, okay. I have been working. That channel name was your English world, but unfortunately that channel was lost. Yeah, and just because of my fault. Hello.
hello. Yeah, now
Uh-huh.
it's okay.
Yes, so unfortunately my channel was lost, and nowadays I have been working on my new channel, that is let's play with English. Let's play with English, okay. And here we have got a 500 plus subscriber, and in 2 days, okay, I got 200 plus subscriber in 2 days, like day before yesterday and yesterday. In 2 days, I got 200 subscribers. Okay, so I'm so happy.
That's great, sir, and also support my channel also.
Exactly, yeah. We are brother and sister. Okay, definitely. Okay, we can grow in life. Okay, with with each other. Okay, and if you grow in yourself and if you go top, then I do not have any problem. Okay, so definitely I will support you. So almost we have covered each and everything. Okay, and so it's time to say bye. Okay, please take care yourself. And whenever you want to talk to me, okay, then you can send me the message first. Okay, and then we will talk.
Okay, okay.
Bye. Please take care yourself.
Bye, sir.